Coming into triangle pose, inhale as you reach the right arm forward and then windmill the arms down, bringing that right hand to the shin, taking the left arm up towards the sky. Maybe release the right hand in front of the shin now and then bring that left hand to reach the palm, sliding the arm up and opening through the shoulder. Inhale, bring the palms together. Exhale, peel the arm up and open. Inhale, palms together. Exhale, peel the arm up. Option to turn the palm now and wrap the arm around the back of the body. Engage through your core and then reach the right arm forward. Take a breath and then lifting up out of the pose. Swivel on the feet, coming into triangle pose on the opposite side. Inhale, reach the left arm forward and then reaching that palm down to the shin, right arm reaches up towards the sky. Take the right palm down to meet the left as you inhale and then exhale. Peel the arm up, opening through the shoulder, reach the fingertips towards the sky. Inhale, palms together. Exhale, peel up and open. Inhale, palms together. Exhale, lift and open. Again, option to turn that back palm, wrapping around the body, and then lift the left arm forward, engaging through your core. Gently release, bringing the hands to the heart center.